we've really only got 2 more days of cycling, today and tomorrow, and that's it, right?
That's it.
Yeah.
Day 4 of Touring Catalonia's self-guided bicycle tour starts now. Okay, Ryan and I are gonna have a pull-up contest. What's that?
Oh, the muscle
Okay, now that you've done that, let's see how many pull-ups you can do. Oh god, I can tell already it's gonna kill me. Oh, how many was that? 13. Oh man. I have not done a chin-up since I was like in 3rd grade.
It's on. You are now watching the Bicycle Touring Pro compete in a competition for chin-ups.
If I get 2, I will be like incredibly proud of myself. I can't even. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. You got it. Nice. You got 6. 1 more. Nice. You got 8. You got 8. You got 8. That's it. Final one.
7 1/4. Ooh, that was better than I thought I'd do, actually. Okay, now we're having a handstand competition. Whoever loses has to buy ice cream later. Right, Ryan? Right. Okay.
2.
We'll have to watch the replay to see who won that.
I don't know.
Okay.
I won the first one.
Yeah. I think I won.
And then I had to do the second effort, tired.
That was
I'm making excuses right now.
That's my strategy.
This is what you do when you're bored on a bicycle tour. Now we're just taking our time. We're at about 26.3 kilometers at the moment. Speed of 22 kilometers per hour. Going pretty good. We have about another 25 or maybe a little less kilometers left to go before we reach the town or city of Roses. And this is going to be our final, well, not the final night, the second to last night of the tour. And tomorrow we ride to, I might be butchering this, but Figueres. And tomorrow is going to be a short day. It's going to be about maybe 28 kilometers. So tomorrow will be the final day, and we'll wrap up the Touring Catalonia self-guided bicycle tour. It's been a great time so far. Super excited to have been able to ride with Darren. It's been years coming. I mean, it's just, we've always been traveling and crossing paths in some way or another, but just never could coordinate something. So it's really nice to finally meet Darren. Great guy. And yeah, I hope to do another tour with him soon. So. Darren, look, a gelato place.
And since I lost the handstand / pull-up contest, I'm buying.
Awesome. Sounds great.
So we just got to the hotel. This hotel doesn't really have a garage or anything. They said we could bring the bikes in our room, so I'm going up to the room to see if it's even big enough to get the bikes in there.
So we just checked into the room. This is what it looks like. Darren took his bike up here actually because it's an expensive bike and doesn't want to keep it in the main lobby area. But it's cool. This hotel is right on the beach. Seems like it's going to be a great location. Looks like there's a lot of food and restaurants and pretty much everything we could ever need.
Tomorrow is the last day of the trip.
It is, yeah.
So it's short,
yeah.
And we got to enjoy it while we can.
Yeah, it is the last day. We gotta make sure we enjoy it tomorrow. But it's been enjoyable the whole trip.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's been a great time.
I really like this part of Spain. Like, I would totally come back here another time.
Yeah, the Costa Brava is beautiful. And yeah, I mean, the beaches are incredible as well. I'm really impressed with the beaches here. So Darren and I just left the hotel, and right in front here on the beach is going to be a fireworks show. So let's check it out. Anyways, if you don't know Darren, you can find him online at www.bicycletouringpro.com, and he has all the social media handles as Bicycle Touring Pro as well, so you can go out and find him. And if you're inspired to do a bike trip, or if you need some motivation or help or whatever, he basically instructs people on how to do their own bicycle tours. So he is the man to go to and the man to reach out to. So do me a favor and head over there and check him out. And that's all I have to say for now. See you.